This is my home office setup. I haven't really been working out of my home office very often in the last 8 or 9 months. It's usually about a day, maybe a day and a half a week. This monitor in the front that he's obviously screwing up, it starts up like this most of the time. I'd say 9 out of 10 times that I start my computer up, this monitor is all messed up. This is a 49-inch, what would you call it, 49-inch curved Samsung monitor. And this particular model, I think, is the first version, and it has this known problem. I'm not sure if it's going to come up to, let's see. See if I can wake it up. I think the computer went to sleep. But I've attempted to fix it. Basically, the problem is there's a chip that needs to be a little warm before it behaves. Sometimes this takes up to 30 minutes to start up. See if it behaves if I enter my password here. So it's not bad. That this time it's actually semi-usable. But eventually it'll click on and it'll be crystal clear. The newer model of this monitor was on sale at Black Friday for like $750, and I resisted the temptation to snag it up to replace it. I actually have two other monitors I could replace this with. The graphic card that's in the computer will handle another two monitors. I have the two monitors on top, or the three monitors on top, all connected. So I'm running a 4-monitor setup. I, in theory, can run a 6-monitor setup with the graphics card that I have. I haven't attempted it yet, but today I'm going to kind of clean up my office. Since I don't really work in here that often, it has gotten to be quite the mess. And it needs a little bit of straightening up and some organization. So that's what I'll attempt to do today. And I may actually attempt to see if there's something I can do to get that monitor to behave, because it is really annoying when I come down here to work and the first 30 minutes of being in my office, I really can't do anything because that is the main monitor. I have tried moving the main monitor up to the top middle one, but it's just annoying. Everything pops up there and not down on the bottom monitor when the bottom monitor is behaving. But yeah, that's my I haven't done a video on my main channel in a long time, so I figured this cleaning of my office is at least it's content. It took about 30 minutes this morning, and then the bottom monitor just clicked into looks like pretty decent color. So I'll get rid of that weird lines and not working right. And in 30 minutes I have barely scratched the surface of cleaning my office. And I've wasted most of the day so far down here. Alright, well, next thing I need to fix is my speakers. I'm not sure if they're blown or if it's the computer is blown, the audio, but my speakers max out way too easy and it's all distorted. So I'm thinking that they're blown. I've got multiple options to replace them with just stuff I have lying around. So I'm going to give it a try and see if I can get some nice speakers to work on my computer. Okay, these speakers are obviously shot. So it is the speakers and not the computer, which I guess is good. I have these box of old speakers. I'm gonna see if any of them are better. Hopefully they are. Alright, this is option number 1 for what was in the box of old speakers. I don't know if the sound distortion is because these things were in an ice cold barn and they haven't warmed up to room temperature yet. Some of them sit for a little bit and see if the sound quality improves. I was replacing the 2 speakers that I had with these, 6 speakers here. That seems like it's going to be a lot of reconfiguring of my desk. And I don't know if I really need surround sound. I have no idea where I got these or where I was using them, but they've been in this box for at least 5 years and probably a year or 2 prior to that. It's possible I was using these in my my work office and not my home office. I really don't remember. I think I've run out of potential speakers. I've got 2 more there, but I don't think they're powered speakers. I don't know if I need powered speakers. I think they go to whatever that CD player thing is. So, here's an RCA. Yeah, these are just regular speakers, which might be fine. Might be all I need. These are actually starting to sound better. Maybe it was that they were just ice cold. Still hear a little bit of distortion. Alexa, increase volume. Hard to tell. This little RCA unit, I think, is the winner. Doesn't seem to have any distortion. And it came out of the same box that the other speakers were in, so it withstood the cold. I have no idea how old this is, but if I use this as a replacement, I also get a CD player out of it. Not sure I care. I think this is the one, and I get a nice big volume knob on the front of it, so I shouldn't have to reconfigure my whole desk to fit 6 speakers. Okay, 1.5 problem solved, and most of the office is clean now. Not all of it, but the fact that I got that table and my main desk mostly free of clutter. Not free of clutter at all, free of junk. So everything there is necessary. Speakers fixed. The monitor works fine as long as I give it 30 minutes to warm up. And I kind of got this area a little bit cleaned up, but once you start getting to that record player, no, I need to come back and touch this up. But that's enough for Saturday. It's already after 5. I'm going to edit this video and then go have dinner. Well, thanks for watching this boring video of Sean cleaning up his office.